Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on age restriction channel Discord. So for you to turn on age restriction channel, you have to make sure you have working on interactive channel Discord. If you have one, then you create one. So once you have your channel created, you should be able to create a channel Discord. Click the gear icon right in front of the channel. You can see there's a gear icon. Then you click on the gear icon, then click on overview, then scroll down a little, then you turn on this button, which is age restricted channel. Then for anybody or anyone can do anything or share any exclusive content features in your channel or your group, definitely they have to verify if they are above the age limit set for the channels rules and regulations. So I believe for content like this to be shared, then the person should be above 18, and that is how you can turn on age restriction channel in Discord. That's it. Find this helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.